Hello, this is Akinwumi Imoru. My project title is Health Customer Database Management System, prepared by Akinwumi Imoru for CSCI E 59, designing and developing relational and NoSQL databases. The project overview. The project focuses on databases management and analysis of the healthcare sector using MySQL, specifically MySQL Workbench. Several tables were actually created: the patient, doctor and hospital admission, medicine, test results, and insurance provider. Then the key features and the use cases. The database is actually designed to facilitate management and analysis within the healthcare environment. The use cases include evaluating hospital and doctors' performance, generating patient-centric reports, providing admission insight, and filtering reports. The system makes it possible to track key metrics like billing amount, patient count, medication, and test performance. So the list of technologies that I use for the project is I actually use MySQL Workbench for writing and running SQL queries. And then the database scalability. The tables will actually grow significantly in size, especially the test results and medicine. And then joins between two and more tables are used to optimize performance and data retrieval. The database schema has undergone 5 normalization steps to minimize partial dependency and improve integrity. So as more data is inserted over time, the system will actually grow in smart indexing, archiving all data, database partitioning. I use an ER diagram with all the tables, all the table attribute has been created and included as an image in this project. So for each query, I have 5 queries. I think I have five sample queries and analytical questions. The first one is hospital and patient analysis, where we retrieve each hospital and key metrics: the hospital name, the total number of unique patients, total billing amount, name of the doctor associated with the highest billing. Then I use aggregate function, the count, the sum, and then joins between admissions, hospital, and doctor table. And then output decimal value and formatted to 2 decimal places. You can see it from the screenshot and then the query. Then the second query is the patient and medication reporting. For each patient with hospital and doctor, that is with hospital and doctors, I list the total billing amount, number of medication prescribed, and average number of tests per admission. Then I listed distinct medicine prescribed for each patient. So, and again, perform joins across patients, admission, hospital, and doctors. Use aggregates and grouping function. Then the third query is detailed patient admission information. I want to know the return for each admission, the patient name, the gender, hospital, doctor, insurance provider, and then admission type, maximum and average test count, the use group, and then aggregate function as well as join. And this is the output of the query and the table. Then the fourth one, the fourth query is comprehensive admission and medication report. So for each admission, we want to know the total medication prescribed, the list of medicine ordered, average and maximum number of tests, admission with more than one test, average medicine per admission, the total number of tests per admission, the length of hospital stay, then the daily billing rate derived from the total billing amount. Then I employ mathematical and aggregation function, grouping and concatenation in SQL. So this is the screenshot of the query and then the output. So the fifth one is to generate a detailed medication report for female patient and with billing amount greater than 100 admitted to hospital with general in their name. Then the report should include patient demography and then admission details, doctor, insurance provider's name, medication statistics, the test count per admission, total test conducted, length of days spent, and then the milli rating. And this is a query, and then I have the output. So I have the screenshot of the queries and then the output and included in this. The sixth one is basically for each patient grouped by the hospital that were admitted. I provided the detailed report, including the patient name, gender, total number of admission, unique doctors they've seen, the total and average billing, and longest hospital stay in days. This is the query, and then I also have the screenshot of the output and the query. So basically, that's my project. The primary focus is on the use cases and the technical setup, not just the specific queries. The explanation include rationale for the choice of joint normalization and query formation. Yeah, thank you.